Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, as usual, we'll be looking at BTC and Ethereum price actions. Before we start, I would like to remind you, if you want to see more videos how to trade successfully, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And make sure press the bell to get an instant updates. Ethereum, on the 30-minute time frame, I would say we are underwater. And the same scenario applies on the 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we had a V-shaped recovery on the 1 hour, 2 hour and 4 hour time frames. And I'm expecting on the lower time frames, highly likely we will get rejected from 382 level. On the 2 hour time frame, as I said in yesterday's video, that if we lose 0.5 level, which is 1175, then we will be underwater. But as I said, we have a V-shaped recovery, as you can see, proper dump and recovered quickly. So we've got V-shaped recovery here. Having said that, we are in consolidation zone at this stage on the 2 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I would say that we are still bullish. So I would like to provide a bull and bear scenario. Bull scenario, if under a lower time frame, which is 30 and 120 minutes, Ethereum managed to break above this 382 level, which is 1240. Ideally, I would say 1300. Then we have a decent chance to go further up, as long as BTC stays stable. When we come to the bear scenario is a bit tricky for the Ethereum. On the 1 hour time frame, if we lose 382, which is 1240, then we will be underwater. On the 2 hour time frame, we should lose 0.5 fib level, which is 1175. If we look into 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is a bit early to talk about for the bear scenario. When 1 hour and 2 hour time frames goes into a bear zone, 4 hour may still be in consolidation zone all around here, which is between 1240 and 1150 areas, unless BTC dumps hard as this scenario. Again, at the moment we have a very crucial area on the lower time frame is this zone 382 1240, which as you can see just now, half an hour ago, we've got 4 hour candle closed and we've got dollar to dollar rejected from there. And again, next one is trying. We might go, as I said, on the lower time frame all the way up to 1300, but we will see. I'm expecting to get a rejection from there on. When we look into a daily time frame, it is still healthy, but candles doesn't look good. And as expected and mentioned in yesterday's video, that after 2 days, which is this candle and this pin bar, bullish pin bar, after these two candles, we have an ugly bearish engulfing candle. And as I said, because of this candle, the situation is a bit tricky. We will be following it closely. Weekly time frame. Under a weekly time frame, as you can see, this current candle, we've got over 48 hours to close. However, at this stage, I would say this candle is a neutral candle. And I would also like to mention that below us, around 850 and 900 area, we've got a support. And we will be following closely in the coming days. If you like and enjoy the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're not following me via Twitter, I highly recommend you to follow me at CryptoMagnate8, where I will post instant updates for BTC, Ethereum and rest of the altcoins. If you have a reasonable questions regarding technical analysis, or you want to learn technical analysis, one-on-one intense under 10-hour mentorship is available. My DM is always open. Okay, let's move on to the BTC. BTC beautifully played out. In the last 72 hours or so, I warned about this dump. And yesterday, during the daytime, I did update via my Twitter account. Once we broke on the lower time frame, as you can see, these are lower time frame Fibonacci levels. And here we have a higher time frame Fib levels. So, as I said, I was very cautious about 0.5 and especially 382, which is $34,722. Just in case, I also provided 72 hours ago higher time frame, as I said, a fib levels. I said once we break 382, we will be highly likely going towards 0.382 on the higher time frame, 32,160, and in yesterday's video we were around here. And also that was our primary target. Secondary target, I said 0.5 next golden zone, which is $29,116. As you can see, week to week rejection with a couple of dollar difference. However, at the same time, I mentioned that it is unlikely. That was 2 days ago video. I mentioned this 618 golden zone, highly unlikely we will not come to here. However, we will be coming all the way down here. I mentioned in the yesterday's video. And as you can see, it played out beautifully, dollar to dollar, week to week rejection from 29,100 area. So since we lost 382 under a lower time frame Fibonacci, which is 34,722, we hit both of our target prices with 16% spot profit. If you would have taken this trade with a 10 times leverage, so you would have been already 160% profit. However, I didn't take this trade. This is not my style. I'm waiting for something different, which we will be covering in the next minutes. If we look into under 30-minute time frames, we are underwater. All the way up to 4-hour time frames, we are underwater. So there is no need to go individually for each time frames. Before I move on to the bull and bear scenario, if you like and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. BTC bull scenario. If it managed to break and stay above 34,900, ideally 35,600 area, then we can take a nice long with confidence. But at the same time, at this stage, it is early to talk about it. Same levels applies for the bear scenario. If we're going to go these levels, which I mentioned earlier, and we cannot break and stay above, highly likely we will be a big consolidation and further towards to the south. And this would provide us a nice short signal. Well, under a daily time frame, if you remember a few weeks ago on my previous videos, I showed this parabolic curve. You can see it started from the March dump. Supported few times here. Last support took place between 10th and 13th of December. So as you can see, this parabolic curve has been acting beautifully. However, we've got week to week rejection from a daily candle, which I mentioned a few weeks ago. We will be highly likely coming here as long as we just hold this curve. Could be down below or a bit up. It doesn't matter, as long as we do not get out from this curve, we are okay. And on the daily time frame, we can still have a chance to go up. And at the same time, I said it, fib levels match exactly here. Also, high time frame support levels, which is 29,100, which we got rejection from right here yesterday's dump. So daily time frame is bullish, but I want to see it goes and stay above 35,000 area to be fully bullish. In the coming videos, we will be looking at weekly and monthly time frames. Very soon we will close weekly time frame, and in less than 10 days monthly candle will close. For now, monthly time frame candle doesn't look nice. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. This is all for today. I will see you in the next video.